In this video, I will be showing you guys on how to fully install and set up eFootball on your PPSSPP emulator. Now make sure that you have already downloaded this Zarchiver app. It's very important. Now open your Zarchiver app and then locate your eFootball game file. Now your game file is either going to be a zip file or it's going to be a 7Z file. So once I click on download and go to my download section, you see I already have the eFootball 7Z file. So now we're going to extract this file. So tap on it and then click on extract here to extract all the files and the texture and every single thing. Now we just have to wait for it to finish extracting. As you can see, it's actually done extracting. Now you can see the PS folder in here. So once I click on it, you are going to see that the game file is now available, which is the ISO file. So we are going to be moving this file and also moving the texture and save data file. So let's start with this game file. So we hold down on the game ISO file and then we'll click on cut. Then we'll go to our main directory and locate our PSP folder. Document PSP. Now you can see I already have a game section in here, so I'll click on the game section and then I'll paste this game in here. Now you can see that the game is inside the game section. Now we are not done. This is actually the tricky part, so make sure you follow every single thing that you see me doing in this video. So go back to that that section, which is the section where you actually extracted your game file. So go back to the PS folder. You can see that there is a texture and save data in here, so let's move the texture. To go into the texture folder, we hold down on this file that is in here, or rather this folder that is in here, and then we click on cut. So once you cut this, go back to your PSP folder. Mine is inside the document, you can see it in here. So we go into the texture folder and then we'll paste it inside this texture folder. So as you can see, we are done pasting it. Now there's still one more thing left to do. We have to go and take that save data that was inside the PS folder. So you can see there's also a save data in here. So we click on the save data. We also hold down on the folder, we cut it, and then we go back to our main directory, go to the PSP folder again, and then now we'll go into the save data. You can see the PSP folder has a save data section. So we'll go in here and then we'll paste it in here. So that's it. We're actually done. Now we can actually go ahead and open our PPSSPP emulator. So once I open my emulator, I should be able to now play the game because I've actually did everything correctly. So once I click on the browse icon, then I will have to select my game directory so that the PSP emulator will know that this is where I'm keeping all my games. So I'm going to do that. Now you can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now if you're actually finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me grow my YouTube channel. Now let's click on this game and see how it goes. So once we click on it, you can see that everything is booting up nicely. Also, you might actually need some good settings to give you best performance on your PPSSPP emulator and best graphics. So at the end of this video, I'm actually going to suggest another video for that because I have a dedicated video about PPSSPP settings. So once you are done with this video, you can wait for the end and watch that one to get the best settings. So right now the game have started, so let's give it a test run and see how everything goes.
The action has already started. We're talking a gem with every word you just said. As holding midfielders go, he is one of the very best. Nothing phases him. He's been bundled over. That is a foul.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.